the direct impact of where these are hitting. Come here. See this Tacoma? This is 19 inches above the ground where it stands. This is the center point. See how it's angled on both sides? It's very hard to damage that frame because the impact goes above it or below it. Look, take a look at this truck. This is what I'm talking about. 19 inches above. It's got a small impact area. This small. It goes above it. It hits the bumper. It hits the front end into the radiator support. There's no damage done to the frame. This can be replaced. When it has a real wide, let's look at this one over here. When it has a real wide impact center, then it's going to screw everything up. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I measured all these. 19 inches is about normal center from the top. See how wide this is? Boom! You hit that sucker, there's 6 inches right there. That's going to hit directly onto the frame, come to a dead stop. Impact on the frame. Frame will be junk. Are you videotaping here what I'm talking about?
Yes.
19 inches. This is higher than that because it's up in the air. That's what I'm talking about. The impact. Tacoma has it. They got it figured out. Small impact. The accident goes above or below the frame. It doesn't hit it directly. It's very impossible to do that. What I'm talking about is very serious here. There's thousands of these wrecked cars. Look, here it is again. Direct impact. Look how wide this is. Direct impact to the frame. Look what it did. Hiya! It's too wide, man. If it was narrow, it would go above it or below it. Camaro, look how wide that Camaro impact bar is in the front, huh? Look at this. We got 4.5 inches. Look how wide that is, man. Look at here. They did a little bit on the Tundra. Tundra's got an angle. Right here, look at this, 4 inches. No, it's 5 inches. But it's an angle, there and there. Like that. See, it's gonna go above it or below it. The impact. That's a 2002. This is a 2004. It's got a wider impact. See how that one is? Do you see what I'm talking about? Can you see what I'm talking about? That compared to that.